yeah, today we have another unboxing for this VOGMA VA series. So this one has like 4-speed plus flashlight function and emergency. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description, so you guys can check them out. And if there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give this shout out to Lucy from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this package up and show you guys. So this is the air duster, and you don't need to buy those harmful canister anymore. So with this, you can keep on recharge it and use it many times. It's a large 5,000 milliampere battery, very strong wind power, brushless motor, so you will use less power or battery, and then the motor will last longer. Rechargeable air duster, portable pocket design, and overheat protection. And right here is all the specification, and the product is made in China. And this nice foam to protect it from getting damaged during shipping. This thank you card. And right here is the user manual. Wow. Comes with two of this cleaning brush. Come with the USB Type A to USB Type C, the charging cable. Very compact size. Right here is the power button. And you got the display right here. Right now it's 75% charged. So when it's fully body charge will show like 100%. And right here is the 3-speed. And if you press and hold it, that will be the 4th speed, which is 200,000 RPM. And right here on the bottom here is the flashlight button. You got the on, flashing, and then SOS. So yeah, when I turn it on, it's gonna be very loud. So you're gonna have the L1, which is low. So yeah, it is pretty powerful. You could try your cars with this when there's like after you do the car wash, and you know how the car's like in the trunk or in the hood or by the door crevices. You can use it to blow away, and then so it doesn't drip down after you dry your car and have those hot water marking stays on your door or trunk or front or the hood or by the window or whatever. Okay, and you can also use this to clean your gaming desktop, your main board, your keyboard, your dryer filter or reusable filter. I've been using this to blow my reusable filter and keep it very nice and clean, or your AC filter, or one of those portable AC here. I even use this to clean my foyer light fixture. It was very dusty, and I use this, and you won't believe how clean that blow out all the dust around the fixture. So yeah, anyway, be sure to check out the link so you could check out this awesome item out, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.